Welcome to Dream Abroad with IELTS. Hi, today we can talk about IELTS General writing types of questions. Before that, just have a look at what is writing. It is a test to assess a variety of writing skills include how good you in organizing ideas, or how good you write an appropriate response, or how good you use a wide range of vocabulary and grammar. Usually, writing is going to be your third test in IELTS, and it is conducted for 60 minutes for both general and academic writing test. Let's move on to IELTS general writing types of questions. As I mentioned, test time is for 60 minutes in which you need to attend task 1 and task 2. In task 1, you will have a letter writing and you need to write a minimum of 150 words. Here there is a minimum threshold of word limit and there is no upper limit. In task 2, have an essay writing with a minimum of 250 words. Here also there is no upper limit of words. Now see general writing types of questions. Task 1. It is a letter writing. Here you need to write a letter asking or requesting more information or explaining the solution in relation to a specific situation. The letter can be written as either formal or informal or semi-formal way. First, about formal letter writing. In this, write a letter to someone you don't know. Here, while writing, you cannot use idioms, cannot use short forms and abbreviations. Also, you cannot use can't, won't, etc. Only you can use it in the form of cannot, would not, etc. Also, here you can use advanced, complex and compound sentences. Usually, formal letter writing starts with formal greetings and endings. Next, about informal letter writing. In this, write a letter to a friend or a close family member. Here, write a letter exactly opposite to the formal letter writing. You can use idioms, short forms and abbreviations. Also, you can use can't, won't, etc. In this letter, you can use simple sentences, and also this letter starts with informal greetings and endings. Next is semi-formal letter. Here you write a letter to someone that you know by names, or you have a professional or business relationship with them. For example, here write a letter to your teacher or landlord or accountant, etc. The letter usually starts formal way but ends with informal way. That means formal greetings and informal endings. Also, you can use a respectful tone depending on the relationship. Also, pronouns and idioms should be carefully used. Now, I am giving some usually asking types of questions for letter writing. They are letters of request, letters giving information, letters giving an opinion. In that, there are 3 types of letter. Letter of advice, letter making suggestions or recommendations, letters to the authorities or editor. Next is letters of complaint. In that there are 2 types of letter, mild complaint letter and strong complaint letter. Next is letters of apology. I will explain all these types of letters in detail in my upcoming videos. Please stay tuned. For writing any kind of letter, you should follow the format. It should have an introduction, body and conclusion. First, about introduction. In this, you need to mention why you are writing. In body, you can write maximum of 2 paragraphs. In that, you elaborate the reason for writing. Last one is conclusion. Here you have a proper conclusion or mention the closing remarks. You can use here 1 to 2 sentences. This is it about IELTS General Task 1 letter writing. Next questions in IELTS General writing is Task 2. In this, you need to write an essay on a topic of general interest. In Task 2, you should write an essay in response to an argument or a specific point of view or a problem that will be stated in the question. Here you can use more personal style of writing. Now I am giving different types of essay questions. They are argumentative essay. In that there are 2 types of argumentative essay. They are one-sided argumentative essay and double-sided argumentative essay. Next, advantage or disadvantage essay. The next is cause or effect or problems or solution essay. I will explain each types of essay in detail in my upcoming videos. Please watch it. Next, about the structure of an essay. It should have an introduction, body and conclusion. First, about introduction. In this, you can write 2 sentences. In first sentence, you can rewrite the question or give main idea. In second sentence, give your opinion or thesis sentence or solution. Next is body of an essay. In this, you can write maximum of 2 to 4 paragraphs. Here I am giving 3 paragraphs, paragraph 1, 2 and 3. Here you can write reasons with examples and explain it and justify it, or you can write advantage and disadvantage with examples and explanation, or you can write cause or problems or effect like positive or negative and its solution with examples and explanation. Finally, conclusion. In this, you can do wrap up or you can rewrite the question in another way to do conclusion. This is it about IELTS General Writing types of questions. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Bye bye.